Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off call forwarding on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Phone. Next, we go down to the Calls section and then tap on Call Forwarding. Now at the top here, tap on the Call Forwarding toggle button to turn on or turn off call forwarding. Once it is turned on, you need to tap on Forward to, and then you need to put in a phone number that you can forward to, and then tap on the back key, and that's it. If you put in a valid number, it should be able to forward to the number that you have set in here. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch off call forwarding. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.